Hello everyone. Are you looking to showcase your work online? In this video, I will show you how to step by step create a stunning portfolio with Wix in 2023. From choosing the right template to customizing your design, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing that I will need you to do is simply go ahead and launch Wix. You can do that by going to your browser and search for Wix.com. So you can go to the URL section or to the top URL section. So let's go to Wix.com from here, as you can see, and it has been logged me into my account directly. It is pretty easy to log into your account or create an account. It doesn't need really a hard process. If you'd like to know more about that, you can check out my previous videos about Wix. I've showed you how to create an account in these videos. So let's create a new site from here. Here we are. And now simply all you need to do is choose here portfolio, click on next. Here we go. Here choose a name. So let's name it also portfolio. And here I will click on next. Now choose what kind of stuff you'd like to have in your website. I'd like to have portfolio, of course, some forms, some Instagram feed, blog, and some pricing plans because I will have portfolio and some kind of like e-commerce website. So I can make some kind of jobs for you or something like that. So click on next. Here, click into this line. Begin with a template. Click on it and here choose the portfolio design that you'd like. There is this one, there is that one, and much more than that. You can go and scroll in these sections and pick which one you'd like. Let's go for example, this one. Click on edit, and then they will take you to this page where they will be starting to create you your website. So it's gonna take this process between 20 to 1 minute or 2 minute max. So give it some time until it is finished and I will be right back to you guys. So here it is, it has been created. Now just wait for this line to be filled. So it has to be 5 on 5. Now it is 2 on 5. So all you need to do is just wait a little bit until it is 5 on 5. So now we have created our portfolio website and this is the template and we can adjust everything here guys from the title and everything. So let's start with this. Here you can find the header. Click on quiz edit to edit it as well. You can change literally everything. You can change the background, the column background, the vector art and the paragraph text. So let's start for example with changing like this logo here. We can go to change and this page will pop up for us. You can do whatever you like. So add to page and here it is, it has been changed. You can here change the text, for example, your name, which is for example in my case Loli, and I will just save it as that. As you can see here, let me just remove the space. I think I have some kind of space here. Nope, not really. Here you can add like somehow like the actually menu. You can move it a little bit. As you can see, it is inside like the search bar, so I don't like that. I will remove it. Here, if you don't like this search bar, you can also remove it as well just by clicking on this delete button. So it is as simple as that. Now guys, here you will find some social media things. For example, your Instagram, Twitter, and much more. You have to add them in here so you will have some interaction with your actual visitors and you can actually get some fans about your artworks and get them to know more about you in your social media accounts. I highly suggest you to do that so you can create a fan base which is gonna help you grow up your business really fast and make it much better. Here, make sure in the main menu to choose the correct pages that will fit your website and explain your work to people much better and with ease. For example, we don't really need the blog here, so we're gonna remove it. So it is a portfolio, so we don't really need it. Here, this search result, I'm gonna delete it as well. And all we need is about our contacts and plans and pricing. This is literally all you need to have in your website. We can change this portfolio to home. So, home page, as you can see. And now we are done. If you'd like to add more pages, you can go here and add pages from this button. Now, let's go and change something else in this website. For example, these images. You can suggest them and edit them on your desires. You can even change how they are organized in the page. Let's choose, for example, this one, and it will be changed, as you can see. And so I'll go on. So let me just go back to the normal form, which is, I think, this one. So here it is. And now guys, all you have to do, let me just make it a little bit smaller. Here we go. So let's say that you'd like to edit this actual things from here. What you could do is simply, so let's double click here. Let's wait a little bit. I don't know where I must click exactly, but let me just click over here, for example, or here. Okay, like that. All right, here it is, working for me. So here you can adjust these photos and make them your own artwork photos. Just by clicking on edit or add new project, you can do that. So let's click on edit. Here you can change the text and description and the title. And let's go down below. You can here choose the media. So manage the media and delete all these medias from here. For example, select all and delete. And you can now upload from your computer. So you can just go here, for example, and choose whatever image you have. Click on done, and here it is. Save and close. And here we go. It has to be changed. I don't know where exactly I have changed it with. Yeah, it is one of these galleries. So you have to click on these photos and it will be in these galleries of one of these photos. And yeah, guys, you can just go freely and edit literally everything in this page and make your portfolio stand out to the people. Show them your creativity in this website. So make sure to make it look good, because if you have a clean website, that means instantly that you have a clean work. So make sure that you have a good presentation of your work and yourself in this portfolio that you are creating. So thank you guys a lot for watching to this moment. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all of your questions, and if there is any hard question to answer, I will make a whole new video about it. So thanks guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.